Okay, guys, this is something I'm new at, so, because I don't call myself a mechanic or nothing, but this is an issue I've been dealing with for a few days now, and haven't got anywhere. So I'm going to show you how to fix a brake line on a 93 Ford F-150 pickup truck without having to buy the whole brake line. So y'all bear with me, and I'll be back. California dreaming about you. Now, as you can see, it's old. Even the mufflers ain't even connected. But it's all I got, and I got to take care of it. As you can see right here, this muffler that's disconnected, I've been rubbing it. And I've been trying to put JB Weld on it. Do not ever waste your money on JB Weld. There's too much pressure in the line to fix it. So I tried it for the past 2 days and it didn't work. So finally, I got this. And Dizzy, I was talking to him yesterday. He knows what he's talking about. So evidently, this is going to fix it. So I'm going to cut this. And I'm going to put this there. And let's see if it finally solves the problem. All I got is this, a hacksaw, because I don't have nothing else. And it takes a 7/16 wrench. So I'll be back when I've cut it. So anyway, after 30 minutes of putting on that piece, yes, messy. That little bitty piece right there, cutting it off with a hacksaw took 30 minutes. So there's got to be a better way to do it than that, but it's the only way I had. I'm fixing to put the other piece on, and I'll be back with y'all. Now, when I first started tightening this, it was showing leakage, but now it ain't. You got to tighten that sumbitch all the way up as hard as you can tighten it. So now, I got to put brake fluid in and bleed the air out of the brakes. So I'll show you all that. I hope I'm doing everything right. Y'all let me know if I'm being stupid. Comment below. Alright, power steering's in. Power steering. Brake fluid's in. Then you come up here to this. On the passenger side, that's how I do it. And I'll bleed it. And I'll be back, hopefully driving with brakes after this. Later. Alright guys, moment of truth. Let's see how I did. I hope I did good. First time ever doing a brake line thing like that. Didn't lose too much brake fluid. So good at that. Oh, and by the way, you have to bleed both back brakes on here. So, just to let y'all know, you have to bleed both of them. So that was the first time I ever did that. You can learn anything on YouTube. Let's see. Feels like I got brakes, y'all. Let's see. It still feels like there's some air in it, but I got brakes. That's all that matters. It beats the doggone using that emergency brake. And JB Weld does not work, so. But I thank y'all for watching for my first doggone mechanic thing. I appreciate y'all coming by. And I got brakes. What?
Yeah.